I'm supposed to be going to my New York City airport. I don't think it's working. I don't think it's not gonna be And the airplane is invincible. Like seriously, it's like a ghost, but just more different. But it's also fun. Okay, why is it broken? It's supposed to be new. It's New York City. Oh, it's not. And there was more looking forward to it. I was really looking at it. If the Titanic movie, if Titanic 2 or Reach it, I will watch it. Oh, anyway, it's no Parareason. And where is the plane crash since I don't want to go? Oh crap! No! Wait, what? Why am I'm still alive! I just fell down to the New York City plane even though it was broken down. Ugh. At least it was a ghost plane. I'm gonna run. Alright. Please remain seated very hard. I don't know what is that. Alright, back to my dumb joke. Please remain seated in very hard. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Adios. Yo, bro, why did you lost an arm? How did you lost an arm in this airplane? Please remain seated very hard. Oh, no, it's sitting right here. This is my... Yeah, there might be fuel back then, but that's gonna be yours. I'm just kidding. It's good. Is this supposed to be a jet? Since I'm driving a jet. And also... what is... I'm a plane crasher! Anyways, I just get forwarded some. Shall we? Alright, I'm dead. Seriously? No, get out! Don't, you're gonna fall! Make it, don't! Don't do it! Don't do it! Please don't do it! I want to fall down. Yo, bro. Can I see? Can I see? Thanks. No, break it, don't. Again, the ghost plane? The ghost plane? Ghost plane? The ghost plane? Please can I see the bear? Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it. So, do the battle, do the battle.